In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up Twitch alerts in OBS. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using Twitch on. So all you want to do is open up Twitch, and then just make sure you're signed into your account. Go to the top right where it has your profile icon, and you're going to see a lot of different options, and all you want to do from here is go over to Creator Dashboard. Now, once you're here on the top left, you're going to see a lot of different things, but go over to Alerts. Now what you're going to see is you can create an alert box. Now you can create up to 10. So all you want to do is create an alert box right now, and then you're going to see all these different options. So you can have follows, and you can have any new follow to a channel. You can customize subscriptions, gifted subscriptions, and you can toggle on if you don't want community gifts or gifted subs or anything like that. Raids, bits, charity, hype trains, channel points if you want to, goals or anything else like that if you want to go ahead and use that. Then whenever you click on whatever you want, so let's say I want to go ahead and change something for new follows, I can change the name of it, the alert condition, the layout for it, where I want it to appear on screen. And also I can go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and skip these. I can change the text and speech, visuals and sound, or anything like that, like the celebration too. Now, once you're gone ahead and happy with it, and you're also happy with the size and everything, I can preview the alert and send a test alert if I want to. So it shows me the preview of the alert. But what I can also do is, this is very important if I want to integrate it into like OBS or anything like that, is I'm going to see browser source URL. So once you're happy with it, go ahead and press copy. Now all I got to go ahead and do is go over to OBS, go to whatever scene I want, and then go to sources, press this plus icon, and I'm going to see a lot of different options right here. Go ahead and click on browser, press OK, and then delete the OBS URL and paste your one in. Now the width and height is already the same. Go ahead and press OK, and then I can move it wherever I want to as well. So once I'm happy with where it is, I can then go ahead and press preview alert, and then it's also gonna I can test it over here as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.